For each car shown, see if you can name it correctly before the multiple choice options appear. Score 5 points for each correct answer without hints and 2 points if you need the options but still guess it right. Which rare British classic car is shown here? Is it A, 1966, Sunbeam Rapier Series 5, B, 1968 Austin 1800 Mark II-C, 1964 Riley Elf D, 1963 Vauxhall Cresta, PA. The correct answer is D, 1963 Vauxhall Cresta, PA. Correct. The Cresta was a luxury car offering plenty of space and style for its time. Time to add up your points. How did you do? Let us know in the comments.